Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris Jackson, your internet motorcycle sales guy here at Bumpus Harley-Davidson of Jackson, Tennessee. And today I have a beautiful 2006 Heritage Classic Softail. It is in Rich Sunglo Blue and Chopper Blue Pearl two-tone. It's a 2006, so this is the 88 cubic inch and 5-speed transmission. It is fuel injected. This is back when they were still doing carbureted and fuel injected as an option. The saddlebags on it are still in fantastic shape. They're not drooping at all. The leather is in really good shape. This was a very well maintained bike. Got the Vance&Hines long shot exhaust. It's had at least a stage 1 because it does have the full exhaust and a high flow intake. It's got 30,000 miles on it. You can see they've added a lot of chrome, the switches and switch housings. You got all the matching foot controls and highway pegs, the Kuryakyn ISO grips. They put fat boy wheels on it. It looks really good. The paint is in really good shape, especially for the age of the bike. All the chrome is in good shape. There's no rust or pitting anywhere. Like I said, this thing was very well taken care of. See the matching foot controls over here. Good look at that paint color. Not sure how well it's going to show up on the pictures and videos, but it is gorgeous. Yeah, another shot of the other saddlebag. Just a reminder, all of our pre-owned bikes that we take in are fully inspected and serviced. We'll make sure they're good to go. This one's got a brand new tire on the rear. The tire on the front is just about brand new, so we didn't have to change it. Great running bike. Painted this blue to kind of match. If you're looking for a nice older cruiser, man, this thing is killer.